Finally, in a highly anticipated hearing, a court suspended the 39-year-old pop star's father, Jamie Spears, as conservator of Britney Spears' estate. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we will talk about how Britney's finally free and an update to her conservatorship. But before anything else, please leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell down below so you won't miss any of our future contents. Without any further ado, let's hop right onto it. Britney Spears' father was removed from her conservatorship by a judge, freeing her from the authority he had over her life for more than 13 years. During a highly anticipated hearing, Los Angeles County Superior Court Judge Brenda Penny approved the 39-year-old singer's motion to temporarily suspend Jamie Spears as conservator of her estate, a post he had held since the conservatorship was established in early 2008. On a temporary basis, Penny selected John Zabel, a qualified public accountant recommended by Spears herself to monitor her affairs. The move is a watershed point in Spears' attempt to break away from a court-ordered agreement that handed her father and a slew of attorneys control over her personal life, business dealings, and riches. Britney Spears deserves to wake up tomorrow without her father as her conservator, her attorney Matthew Rosengart argued in court. Based on the second petition filed by Jamie Spears, the court will examine whether to dissolve the conservatorship entirely at a hearing planned for November 12. He has requested the court to dissolve the agreement because he is under constant pressure from his daughter's lawyer, who accuses him of attempting to extort her. According to court documents, the singer intended to file a petition to terminate the conservatorship on her own, but only after her father was removed, which would necessitate his handing over his entire conservatorship file to the temporary conservator. I believe in those files we will find evidence of his corruption and worse, Rosengart said during the hearing. As he left the courthouse, Rosengart told reporters that Britney Spears would sue her father if it was determined any of her money had been misappropriated. And the attorney appeared to suggest that Jamie Spears could face criminal charges. And the ramifications are going to be more severe than just civil litigation against Mr. Spears, based upon my present understanding of what happened here, Rosengart said. The documentary, Framing Britney Spears, broadcast by the New York Times in February, revived public attention in the Spears issue by questioning her father, Jamie Spears' continuing influence over her financial and physical well-being. Controlling Britney Spears, a follow-up documentary, was published on Friday, in which a former member of the pop star's security staff said that all of her phone communications were monitored and that an audio recorder was even installed in her bedroom. It is against the law in California to record people's private conversations without their permission or knowledge. Spears' father, as conservator, may have consented for her because she was under conservatorship. Krista Ramey, an attorney who previously handled a case regarding conservator responsibility, said to BuzzFeed News. Jamie Spears' removal was a prerequisite to the prompt restoration of her dignity and fundamental rights, according to a statement released by Rosengart a few weeks ago. In July, the pop singer formally requested that her father's conservatorship be immediately revoked. Jamie Spears' involvement in the conservatorship was described as toxic and unworkable in court filings by Rosengart, who claimed that removing him was in his daughter's best interests. According to court records, the action was backed by Jody Montgomery, the singer's personal life conservator for the past 2 years, as well as her medical staff and her mother, Lynn Spears. The pop singer had previously sought that her father be removed as conservator in 2020, but her plea was refused despite her court-appointed counsel, Sam Ingham, telling the court that she was terrified of her father. Vivian Foreen, Jamie Spears' attorney, claimed she vehemently opposed her client's suspension during a hearing, saying that it was unnecessary to remove him if the conservatorship was going to be terminated anyhow. Foreen claimed in the recent court documents that the petition to terminate should take precedence because it is uncontested by any of the parties concerned. She questioned Rosengart's decision not to make such a request himself, calling the attempt to replace her client with another conservator really extremely puzzling. That's not evidence and he knows it, Foreen said when Rosengart brought up the fresh claims of monitoring presented in the Times documentary. Regardless of whether the allegations are true, which Rosengart called as unfathomable, he believes Jamie Spears should be banned immediately, or the pop star would be extraordinarily distraught. Spears' public remark in an emotional and heated hearing in June 23, when she told the court that her conservatorship was oppressive and had hindered her from living a complete life, no doubt influenced the judge's decision. She railed against her father and the power the legal arrangement has given him to ruin her life, destroying her statements at a time and again in July. Later, Rosengart said it didn't matter if Faureen or Jamie Spears believed his daughter's allegations of abuse. What mattered, he continued, was that she believed them herself. On Wednesday, supporters gathered outside the courtroom, carrying pink flags and placards and shouting for the conservatorship to be lifted. Megan Radford, a #Free Brittney campaigner, told BuzzFeed News that the amount of progress made in Spears' cause in recent months was unfathomable. But the job isn't done, and we'll be here until the job is done, she said. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off for now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.